Here we're going to show you how to replace your battery and your chrome key fob. First thing you'll do is remove the Phillips screw on the back side. Remove the chrome section. Remove the back half by lifting it off, and slide your old battery out and replace it with your new battery, making sure that the positive side of the battery is facing up. Slide it in and replace your back half. Install the chrome bottom and reinstall your screw. Now when you press the button, your light should light up and it should function whatever it is you have it hooked up to.